Hey guys, Siddharth here. Today I'll be showing you the unboxing of Rode VideoMicro, which is a microphone by Rode. The link for this would be in the video description, so check that out. So this is a really good microphone for beginners who don't want to spend a lot. This costs around 60 bucks on Amazon and eBay, and the sound quality is really good in my opinion. I will do a sound comparison between this mic and built-in mic in my Canon T7i to give you a better idea of the sound quality. So the mic has 2 years warranty. Actually it's 1 year, but to extend it to 2 years you need to register it on Rode's website. This does not require any batteries. So as you can see, it says no batteries required. It doesn't need any batteries and will be completely powered by the device you're using it with. Although this does make it easy to use, as you don't have to charge or replace the batteries, you won't get any gains as you might get with a battery powered microphone. It is really compact in size and comes with a suspension mount included in the box. So these are all the complete specifications that I pulled from the Rode's website. So let's open this box to see what all we get with this mic. So this is the seal. It's just tape here. Let's cut this open. So let's remove this plastic box. So the first thing out of the box is the suspension mount, and you can place this on top of your DSLR. So let's keep this aside. So the next thing out of the box is this cable, and as you can see it's 3.5 millimeter on both sides. Let's keep this cable aside and see what else is in the box. Then you have some instruction manual that shows you how to set up this mic with your DSLR or any other device. So the next thing we have is the mic and the dead cat. So let's remove this dead cat. You just need to pull this out. This dead cat will help you with limiting the wind noises to give you a more clear and a good quality audio. Let's keep this aside and get back to the mic. So this mic, as you can see, is really compact. It is 80 millimeter in length and 21 millimeter in diameter. So let's put this on a weighing scale and see how much this weighs. So this weighs around 43 grams. This is all you get in the box. Now let me show you how to set this up. As you can see, this has a port for the cable here. So you need to slide this in this suspension mount. And you can then plug this cable in here, and the other side will go to your camera, and this will be used to mount it on your camera. So as you can see, it's really a simple and easy plug and play setup. Now let me show you the audio quality difference. So I've been recording this video completely on the Canon T7i, so you get the idea of how the sound quality will be on the Canon T7i. Now let me install this microphone on my camera and show you how the audio quality is. So this audio is coming from the Rode VideoMicro microphone. This is without the dead cat attached, as I'm recording this inside where there is no wind, and I don't think there would be much of a difference. But just to make the difference more clear, I'll attach this dead cat and show you if there is any difference in audio quality. So this is the audio coming from the Rode VideoMicro microphone again, but now this time I have attached the dead cat. So I'm not sure if you can see the difference in the sound, because I don't think there would be much of a difference since I'm recording inside. But if you record outside and there's wind, then you would definitely see the difference. So for comparison to the audio coming from phone, this is the audio coming from the Galaxy S10e.